Hey guys, Island Farmer here, and I was about to do some Sunday chores, and I thought, hey, why not film myself doing my Sunday chores? I originally built this duck pond because I'm on very flat ground, and if I were to bury this 18-inch deep duck pond into the ground, I'd basically have to lift it up to dump it out. There's no way to drain water deeper unless I make some sort of a septic tank or something under it, which I'm not going to do for a duck pond. If I was on a hill, I could just run the pipe off the hill and drain it down that way, but it's just completely flat ground, so I put my thinking cap on and decided to make a 24-inch raised garden bed, which fit the 18-inch deep pond pretty well. I needed a few inches under it to run the plumbing, that way I can drain it into the garden bed, which you're about to see. The duck pond has a drain in this back corner, which I think I'm gonna open it up a little bit today. You can see that's the low spot by like maybe an inch or two, and the water's green because algae grows in it. It's not necessarily like dirty, it's just green algae that grows in the fresh water. So this is the drain. This is also she's not too happy to see me. But it looks like we got pretty good flow there. Like nothing's plugging it up. We're gonna get out of here before we get wet. So I got this little pathway back here. It should be like 18 inches. What do we got? All the bananas are coming up like crazy. Let's see. Helen's down there. Her nest. It's gonna start draining real fast now because I got past that lip. Which I'm really happy with this model, this pond model I picked out. It's 18 inches deep, which is perfect. And then it has that big lip around pretty much the whole thing. That's like 8 or 9 inches deep. It's perfect for the ducks. So we're almost done draining. You can see there's quite a bit of yuckies in there. And there's really only been one duck using this pond. The female is sitting on her nest pretty much 24/7. What you want to do is try to get out all the big stuff. I got this little cheap $10 net I got from Pinch a Penny. Works pretty good. Any big things like mango leaves and feathers and stuff. I'm gonna try to scoop that out before we start washing it all out. I'm just gonna... The reason this thing is even in there is it fits into a pipe that comes up to the bottom of this plastic. So these two plastic pieces fit into each other, pinching the black plastic in between, which I don't think you could do this any other way. But this thing has some pretty small holes on there, and you know, after draining this a few times, I'm like, why do I even have holes? There's no point. I want to drain everything, the particles, everything. So I'm going to try to knock that out right now. First thing you always want to do is score it. Alright, so I got that all chiseled out, and I got some plastic pieces that flew everywhere, so... Wow, that works so much better. Thing ain't never getting plugged up now. Not yet, Henry. It's got a ways to go, buddy. So, left with a bunch of sand. This is like the heavier particles that don't flow down here. You see the algae is pretty much all on the bottom now. Hope you guys enjoy this, and as always, hit that like and subscribe button to help out the channel, and stay tuned.